Hello, today we are going to be looking at an organization tool that doubles as a way to create lists with other people and to help with communication or collaboration. So let's get started. First, be sure that you are logged into your desired Google account. Click on the Apps selector or the waffle. Scroll down until you see the Google Keep icon, which is a yellow square and a white light bulb. Google Keep will open to your Pinboard and any notes that have already been created. You will see a white box at the top that says Take a Note. This is where you will create new notes simply by typing into this field. If you click on the list icon in the white box, it will create a bulleted list in lieu of a note. If you click on the image icon, it will provide you with an opportunity to upload a photo from a specified location. Once you start typing in the field, you can also create a reminder by asking Google Keep to remind you of a task or note if it is time sensitive by clicking on the finger and string icon. Let's begin by creating our first note. You can also choose to give your note a title . Next, let's create our first list. Next, I will create a new note with an image. And finally, let's create a reminder. In the top left corner, you will see 3 horizontal lines. I call these the hamburger. These will open and close your Keep main menu. With the main menu visible, you can toggle back and forth between notes and reminders. This is helpful when you need to see only what has a timeline attached. To keep yourself organized, use colors and labels. To the right of the word Labels in the main menu, click on Edit, or you can click on Create New Label. They will both produce the same result. A text box will appear. And you can create your new label and select Done. Your new label will appear below the heading Labels. When you are creating notes, you can quickly add a label to your note so that it will be filed under that label by selecting the 3 vertical dots shown. For this note, I would want to file it under Technology. Notes and lists that are labeled, simply click on the label desired. You will see the note that I previously created filed under the Technology label. To also aid with organization, you can add color to a note. When you hover over a note, you'll see a painter's palette. Choose the color for the note. It's a good idea to specify specific colors for specific labels. top of your Keep Pinboard, you will see a search box. Here you can search for notes, lists, and reminders using keywords. You have a few options here also. You can archive notes, you can select several notes at once, or you can delete notes as well. You can search by different types, labels, or colors. I'm going to search by the keyword field for our upcoming field trip. So here you'll see I have 2 notes that I've created, both with the keyword field, and both of them I've filed under the administration label. To share and collaborate with other people in your community, you have 2 choices. You can either add collaborators here during note creation, or you can add collaborators when you are viewing your notes, simply by selecting the portrait icon with the plus sign. This option will allow you to share your note with a second party. Add their email and press save. For other options, remember that you can download the Google Keep app on iOS and Android devices. The app also allows you to record a voice memo and have it automatically transcribed. This is great for on-the-go note-taking. Finally, I enjoy using Google Keep because it's a visual look at typically boring post-it notes that used to get lost. You can add pictures, colors, and make it your own, and this is a great way for students also to manage their daily list of tasks and assignments in place of a student agenda book, one less thing they might have to carry. So don't wait, integrate.